hot chicken? Just checking. What happened, honey?
You gave me your cold.
I did not. It's been a month. Incubation period's over.
You did it.
I didn't do it.
Eyes watering, cold,
Cold.
sneezing, throat. Head feels like it's gonna explode.
But he's got his old TV shows.
That's Rin Tin Tin.
Rin Tin Tin. That makes him happy. I'm going shopping.
You're getting some makeup. Smile. Be happy.
You smile and be happy.
Get me some lip gloss. Maybe a little eyeshadow.
Okay, maybe it'll liven up your face.
Yeah.
Everyone's sick. Adam just came out. I got his cold. I don't want it again. I just got well. I will shoot them all. Not really. But I don't want to get sick again. So I'm going to go out. Yep, to the makeup store. And to Home Depot to try to find some cheap lighting. Vlog lighting. And to buy NyQuil. Sounds like a fun day. Okay, I'll take you with me. Bye. Going to Ulta. I want to go to Marshall's, but there is a purse there that I have been, excuse me, coveting, and I'm afraid I'll give in. So I might avoid it. We'll see. We'll see where we end up.
Yeah, but I was hoping that I was smaller bottles, but I could get
I think the vote is going to be to stay out of Marshall's. Going right to Home Depot. I'm going to be brave. Okay, bye. Okay, maybe just an iced green tea. Starbucks. You're calling me. Starbucks. I'm driving through. Look at this guy on the corner. Let me see. Look at him. He's wearing thingies on his feet. But that is sign spinning at its finest. I want those things. God, I'd fall and break my neck. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is funny. He doesn't see me seeing him. Oh, there's somebody behind me. Gotta go. Starbucks. Ooh. Oh, how I love these Starbucks. Yum, yum. Home Depot. We made it. I say we made it like it's, 40 miles from my house and it's around the block. Anyway, here's the deal, guys. I have a lighting crisis. So I kind of went on YouTube and looked at cheap ways to light. So I'm going to go get me some lighting, I think. We'll see what they've got. I'm just thinking some clip lights and just something. My question is, why didn't they have those when I was a child? I want to ride in that cart. Seriously. Dang. I think we're in the right section. Let's see. Electrical. Don't you think that's where it would be? Maybe lighting. I don't know. I'm not a man. I'm in a man's world. Oh my God. Wayne's sick. So here I am, forging my way through Home Depot. This is not my home base. I'm better at Ulta. Okay, this is what I decided on. I don't know what I'm doing, but I figured if it doesn't work, Wayne can use it in the garage. Because I I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I'm in Home Depot, hell. One last stop, Target. Target. To get NyQuil for the Sickies so they can sleep. Sleep, sleep. That's right. Sleep. The puppies will make them sleep. We're going to take them for a run. You guys want to go? We'll show you how we exercise our dogs now. We should be out running with them.
That is true.
We're not quite in the shape to do that. We will get there, though. That's right.
They're not
so we're going to take them. Oh, rub your hairy butt all over the furniture.
For God's sakes. Stop it!
Oh, there's the MacBook. This is where we come to run the dogs. So here's where we let the dogs out. There's no traffic up here. They can chase rabbits and such.
Deer.
Deer. We know they need to go to the groomers. Don't want to hear it. Oh, she pottied. Let's go, Daddy. Let's run amok.
It's not for me to do what my heart tells me to. That's why I've chosen this route. That's when I heard the highway call. Call me back down the road again. Gotta be searching on that highway. Call me back again.
Anyway, it's a beautiful place we live. We love it here. And we're going to wrap up this vlog. What do you guys think? Do you want to hang with us every day? Do you want to hang with us once a week? Do you want to hang with us never? Do you want, I don't know.
Tell us what you think.
Tell us what you want. What would you like to see more of Hot Chicken? Because we're having a good time doing it and hanging out with you, so let us know. But we want to say good night. Thanks for hanging with us today. Wayne's sick, doesn't feel good. The dogs are like drooling all over the back seat. But we want to tell you to like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I think we're up to 8 subscribers now. At 10, we might light off a
bottle rocket.
A bottle rocket. Let's get to 10 subscribers. Come on, you guys. Let us know what you think. All 5, 8 of you, whatever. Bye. Hot chicken? Just checking.
Hot chicken.